One of the hallmarks of the world's most masterful speakers is spontaneity. They're free to be spontaneous and to react to the audience in the moment. The problem is we've created these expectations that we show up to our presentations having created rails, usually embodied in our slide progression. And our goal becomes, let me get through my content. Let me go down those rails. Don't ever ask a question that might derail me. But what if you look at things differently and forget about the rails? If you see all the content that you're expected to share with people, that you hope to share with people, as a series of downloads that you can call up at any time in any order, then you can put your focus on the audience and their responses to you. Let them show you what they need to hear about in the moment and be willing to move around with them, to have a meaningful, rich, one-time conversation that only you and your audience can create together at that time. It's amazing when you have that kind of freedom. It's amazing the kind of meaning and relevance you can deliver when you're not stuck to a script.